Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. So open the Word Chapter 2. So open the Word Chapter 2 Simulation Training and Word Chapter 2 Hand on Exercise Simulation Training. Click the launch and click OK. So open the Word Chapter 2 Simulation Training. So total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. Click the anywhere and right column on page 1. Draw the small text box and resize the box 1 height of 3 and word with the insertion point in the text box. The words photography is open to anyone. So click the page 1 anywhere and insert the text box. So insert the text box and draw the text box. So draw the text box and resize the box. So height is 1 and width is 3. So width is 3 and press enter. And next is type the word of photographic. Photography is open to anyone. And next is change the font size of the text. The word photography is open to anyone and 16. So select the alt text. So next is change the font size. The word photography is open anywhere and click the 16. So font size, change the font size 16 and change the wrapping style to the text box to the square and close the layout option if necessary. And click the square and close the layout. And next is at the right side of the basics of photography heading, insert the explosion 8-point shape, driving the shape just above the section break indicators. The shape should be approximately 1 height and 1 width. So select the text box and next is click the shape format and explosion. So explosion 8 explosion driving the insert the 8-point shape, driving shape and section break indicator. So next is click the insert tabs and click the shape. So shape is to explosion 8-point and click the shape and explosion 8-point. Go to the insert tab and click the explosion 8-point. So drag and insert the 8-point explosion and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the smart dot graphic on page 3. So select the smart dot graphic on page 3. And next is click the border and tag the object is just line shaping and click the smart art design tab and then polish styles in the smart art. So click the smart art design and next is object and click the smart art design tabs and apply the polished. Click polished and next is change the height 2 inches and width is 2.5. The format and size is 2, uh, height is 2 inches and width is 2.5 and press enter. And next is select the text box page 1 on the set the shape fill color blue SN1 lighter 80% and change the shape outline black text one. So on the page 1 and select the text box. So select the text box and set the click the shape format tabs and next is shape fill is blue SN1 and lighter 80%, blue SN1 lighter 80%, click OK. And next is change the shape outline black text 1, click the shape outline and black text 1. And next is click the explosion shape at the top of the page 1 and change the height to explosion 0.75 and shape height is 0.75 and press enter. Sorry. So next is and shape height is 0.75 and press enter. Point 75 and press enter. Page on the explosion shape at the top of and change the shape height explosion 0.75. And next is with the explosion shape on the page 1 selected it and Ctrl D duplicate the shape, drag new shape leftward banners positions mirror of the shape on the right. So Ctrl D and duplicate the edge and drag the new shape on the left side. Left side, duplicate and drag the new and the left side word vendors mirror shaping. So duplicate the shape and so question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the explosion object to the left side of the word or banner on a page 1 and hold the shift and keyboards banners the other explosion and shape format tabs and click the group object and click the so select the and shift and click the shape format tabs. So click the shape format tabs and click the shape format tabs and click the group. So next is click the group the object shape format object and click the group object. Hold down and explosion the object shape formats and click the group object and arrange group. So next is click the shape and go to the shape format tab and click the group and change the wrapping styles group to the top and bottom and close the layout tabs and to click the top and bottom. Click the symbols, word dot and word dot wrapping. Change the wrapping style to the top and bottom. Click the top and bottom. Wrap texting is top and bottom. Click OK. And next insert the column break before the shooting from below heading 3 bottom page 3. On the bottom page 3 insert the shooting from below and insert the column break before and below the heading on the bottom on page 3. Insert tabs and click the insert the column break. So insert the go to the layout tabs and click the column break. Shooting from below heading. So on page 3, shooting from below, click the layout tabs and click the column break. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is question number 4. And click the place insertion point before the paragraph bottom the left column on a page 4 beginning now in the fun parts setup and picture illustration and group the winter picture from this device. So on page 4 and paragraph near the left in the beginning is no. So beginning in the no paragraph, beginning in the no paragraph in the winter picture for this device. Left column page 4 beginning with the no for the fun. Insert tabs and click the picture from this device. So next is now from fun part and insert the picture this device and click insert. And next is with the picture style selected it and click the layout option beside the picture is too tight and the picture is too tight, click OK. And next is position the insertion point dark photo headings right column on page 3 and then insert the smart or graphic choosing the basic matrix layout in the matrix rows. So position the insertion point dark photo heading. Dark photo heading before the dark photo heading and right column page 3 insert and choosing and insert the matrix, click the smart art and select the insert the smart art choosing the basics matrix layout and click the basis matrix layouts and click OK. So next is in the left shift smart dots and type the mist focus. and the top right shape is the shaky frame. And next is selecting the text basic photography in the first line page and format the selected text word dot style fill blue H1 color shadow in the text typing. Basics photography. Select the text basics photography on page 1 and format the text and word dots. So go to the insert tabs and click the word dot in the first row, the second color blue H1 and shadow and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. So I have done the assignment. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So I have done the assignment and check the score. So current score is 14 and late submission entry is 10% educated. Word chapter 2 hand on exercise 2 simulation training.